Next topic is importance of feedback. Feedback is the response given by the receiver to sender about the message. Feedback is the final component in the communication cycle. So it is integral part of communication and it allows sender of a message to judge how effective the communication is. Means his communication is effective or not. When the receiver of a communication sent a response or reply of the message, it is called feedback. So now types of feedback. There are various types of feedback. First of two types, formal and informal, and next other category, specific and non-specific, and two more, descriptive and non-descriptive. So first of all, formal and informal feedback. Formal means when you will send feedback formally in a planned way, sequence wise, okay, using some rules, okay, by following some rules. And informal, like without planning, when you will send feedback, okay, if your feedback is not planned, so without using any rules and standards, is called informal feedback. So formal feedback like standardized test, year-end evaluation. Informal like observe, communicate, check work, give immediate feedback. For example, comments from the customer or clients. This is an informal type. Approval from co-worker and supervisors. This is also a informal feedback. Next, specific and non-specific feedback. Specific means which is used to define a specific purpose, okay, which will give you specific knowledge or specific information. So specific feedback provides detailed or specific information on what employee did well or poorly. Okay, means if they done work properly, then well feedback, okay, otherwise poorly. So the way you presented the presentation to the client was very good. This is a specific feedback. I liked the ending, it was different than I expected. This is also a specific feedback. Next is a general or non-specific feedback. On the other hand, is very non-specific, such as good job, you did great, but what you did, okay, so not mentioned there. So this is a non-specific feedback. The most part is not very helpful to the employees. For example, I like your story, it was good, but what do you like in the story? Clear? Next is a descriptive and non-descriptive feedback. Descriptive feedback is specific, used to provide specific information in the form of written comments when you will get feedback, okay, or verbal conversation that help the learner understand what she or he needs to do in order to improve. If some problems are there in their communication process and how they can improve, so they will get about this idea from the descriptive feedback. Like current achievement, where am I now? With respect to a goal, where am I going? Okay, and identifying appropriate next step, how can I close the gap? So next is a non-descriptive feedback. Non-descriptive feedback is a conversation or questioning. Non-descriptive is a like a questioning to cause the recipient to think about the develop opinion, think about and develop opinion on what to do or how to do it. Okay, so this is type of non-descriptive feedback. So these are the types of feedback.